In order to edit a slow motion video on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we're gonna open the gallery. Next, we're gonna just open the slow motion video that we have recorded. And now what you can do is you can tap on this pen that we have at the bottom of the screen. And there we go, we just started editing our slow motion video. Something that you probably are the most interested in is this upper time frame that we have in here with like lines and horizontal and vertical lines essentially. So this section that is separated, actually these two sections that we have in here and in here are the slow motion areas. So we can pretty much extend or make the slow motion area shorter up to how you want it. But essentially you can decide which part of the video should be in slow motion and which part should not be. It should be in a normal speed. So as you can see right now, this part is in the slow motion, but soon it should, there we go, it should speed up normally. And then here we have another slow motion part, and there we go, it is now in slow motion again. So this is how it looks like. And you should be able to, for example, press and hold your finger on that part if you want to adjust its speed, so you can make it even slower or maybe slightly faster, or you can remove that part if you don't want it. Now we should be able to add another one. And let's see if I can manage to do that. Okay, so if you want to add another section, you can use the timeline that we have below over here. And then here where it says 1x, you want to tap on that 1x and you can use the slow effect. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. And now as you can see, we have another slow motion area. Once you are done with the editing, you can of course use save button in here. In the upper right corner, or you can use these two dots right next to it in order to save the video as a copy instead, so you can keep the original one intact. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.